Hey guys, Virgil here, Energy Savings Construction. We're looking at one of the jobs we're doing today is a redwood fence. It's all premium redwood. You can see it's just gorgeous. 2x6 top cap on it. There's 560 feet of fence out here, so we're talking a few units of lumber right there. See the back side of the fence, these beefy 2x4s. See our step down and our step up. Just gorgeous lines on this fence. If you go through the back of the property here, you can see another unit of fence boards there. Go to the back of the property, like I said, 560 feet of redwood fence. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful day to be out doing it today. On this corner, we're going to take a turn and we're going to do horizontal fence boards this way, 1x8. So right now the guys are setting the posts. This is going to be your straight picket, and this is going to be your horizontal. So we'll show you after pictures when we're done with this. Virgil Energy Savings Construction.